We are going to Cake Bake at Disney to celebrate my birthday.
We're also going to have two showings of Fantastic, and those times will be at 8:30 p.m. and 10. So if you're best seat in the house, please come 30 minutes and 45 minutes early, because those spots will fill up really quickly. And as you can come
Guys, this is going to be so fun. Yay! I already know it. Look at that, guys. It's not even rocky or anything. I'm not scared anymore like I used to be.
Yeah, you don't have to.
Yeah, because back then, when I was like 6, 7. So, guys, when we're done with this, I'm going to rate it at 1 out of 10 to see. Uncle come! Uncle come!
He got so scared. Why are you scared?
We took the long way for chairlift experience with my baby boy.
Hopefully by the time we leave, we can see the take a video.
It's raining badly. It's Orlando.
So that is a real cake? Yeah.
Where's Brazil?
Brazil?
Yeah, look, there's a...
This is my castle. Thank you. Yeah, colors.
Wow, that's so cool. These get crayons.
Thank you, Coco.
Now they give pencils.
Say happy birthday to mom.
Happy birthday.
Daddy up.
Happy birthday from Nadia.
So what do you have to say the full name?
Was it worth skipping school?
Yes. Because we went to Hollywood, Disney World, and
Yeah.
we have the whole entire lunch right now.
And I will post this, and your teacher will see this. And they have the falls. I already knew they were gonna have.
The pasta was bland. He don't like it. Look his face, LOL.
And they have the falls. I already knew they were gonna have.
Maybe I never think. Well, I'll leave the can here for you. You can take a look at it. Yeah. Got that there for you. Thank you.
Drink up.
If you don't mind, we'll take it. And we'll light your birthday candle for you. And then again, whenever you are ready, go ahead and close your eyes. Make a really big birthday wish. And you can blow out your candle. Perfect. I know it's still all over your hands. Yes. So I always like telling people you can either sprinkle it in your hair, rub it on your arms, or just pop your hands out and you can get the rest of that glitter out.
I ordered raspberry and millionaire cake. I took the pictures. It's a good experience. The cake bake.
No, not the thing, not this, the big thing, this thing with that in the skyline. I mean the voice that keeps coming out of someone.
Put them together and what have you got? Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Salakadoola, michikaboola, bibbidi bobbidi bibbidi boo. It'll do magic, believe it or not. Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Voa chorando melodia sentida, lembranças do passado que ainda estão vivas. Cadê aquela mulher que me fez sorrir? Por onde ela anda que eu não consigo a ver? Seus olhos brilhantes como estrelas no céu, seu sorriso radiante que me aquecia no mel, sua voz melodiosa como um canto de anjo que me levava para um mundo sem pranto. Cadê aquela mulher que roubou meu coração, que me fez sentir a mais pura emoção? Por onde ela anda que eu não a encontro mais? Será que um dia nossos caminhos se cruzarão? Caminho por ruas desertas, te procurando